Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your personal computer using screen mirroring. To begin, you will need 3 essential items: your mobile device, a personal computer, and reliable mirroring software. Ensure your internet connection is robust, perhaps offering at least 100 megabytes per second download speed, to avoid any frustrating lag during intense matches. Preparing these basics creates a solid foundation for your upcoming gaming session, ensuring smooth performance right from the start. The right mirroring software significantly impacts your gaming experience, so choose wisely. Prioritize applications known for very low latency and clear, high-definition video transmission. Many excellent options offer built-in keyboard and mouse mapping, which is crucial for competitive play on a personal computer. You might explore a free trial first, then invest in a premium version for enhanced features and uninterrupted sessions. After installing your chosen software, the next step is establishing the connection between your phone and personal computer. First, access your mobile device's developer options and enable USB debugging, a necessary security setting. Then, connect your phone using a sturdy USB cable, allowing for the most stable connection. If you prefer wireless, ensure both devices are linked to the same fast Wi-Fi network, ideally one supporting 5 GHz bands, for optimal performance. Once connected, fine-tune your settings for an ideal gaming environment. Start by adjusting the mirrored resolution on your personal computer to achieve a balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. Carefully map your keyboard and mouse controls within the mirroring application, replicating your preferred PC gaming setup. Remember to check your audio output, ensuring that every crucial in-game sound is perfectly audible through your personal computer's sound system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.